Hi, Drew Eric here. Quick tutorial for Google Chrome. This one's going to be about how to add multiple users to to your Google Chrome. So I'm in my Gmail here, and if you guys are anything like me, you've got about 4 Gmail accounts at this point for various reasons: professional, personal, one with your organization. One that you made like 10 years ago, but you still check for certain things. I don't know. We've all got like a billion of them at this point. It's tempting, very tempting to come up here when you're in your Gmail and go to sign out or add an account. And that does work to a certain extent. But if you do a lot with Google Drive, you've probably run into some issues with how that works. So what I want to show you how to do is how to add another user to your Google Chrome. And basically what you do is you make a separate Chrome window for each account that you have. So instead of going to your little picture up here and going to add an account, it's actually better to go up here and click switch person or add user. Once you do that, you can see I've got several email accounts up here and running. So I've got 2 personal accounts, and then I've got my Michigan State account for my graduate classes, and then I've got my Waco account for my professional use. So basically I can shift between all of these, and what they do is they open brand new Chrome windows that all have their own unique bookmarks, all have their own unique, passwords saved and things like that. And the best part about it is that Google Drive works as it should when you do this with any of your windows. So really in the long run, it makes it a lot easier to use multiple users this way. It might not seem so at first, but in the end, I think it's going to make your life easier. So again, how do you do this? You click on this switch person button, and then you just go to add person. It's going to open up a new Chrome window where it's going to ask you to sign into a Chrome account. And from there, you just sign in with your Google account, with your Gmail. Enter your email and then enter your password, and then you'll be able to choose between different Google accounts. So that works really well on the computer that you use all the time. But what if you're on somebody else? What if you have to hop on somebody else's laptop to show a quick presentation, or you need to grab like a quick file from your Google Drive? What do you do then? You don't want to be a permanent user on their computer. So that's when you pull out the Incognito card. So again, just when I go to the same place, instead of going to switch person, I'm going to go Incognito. Why is this good? Well, Incognito is cool for several reasons. The main reason people know it is it doesn't track and record your history as you're browsing, but it works really good for signing into your account if you just want to sign in briefly on someone else's computer. So I can go to Gmail now, and it's not, because it's incognito and it doesn't save any cookies or any previous browsing information, it doesn't know who I am. But I can go ahead and I can type in my whatever account I want to use. I'll just put in my school account here, and then my password. Whoops, mistype. And then it'll get me into my Gmail. And now I'm signed into this Chrome window, so I can even open it up and I can go to my Drive, and it'll recognize that I'm signed in. But the minute I close this window, I'm done on this computer, and none of my passwords were saved, none of my information was saved. The person that was using it before doesn't have to switch accounts or anything. They can just go right back to using it as they were. Little power user tip there for you. If you're like me and you manage multiple Gmail accounts, it can be very, very handy to be able to just switch between them like that. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and I'll try to lead you down the right path. Thanks.